Right, this time. With no messing about. Yeah, there's a few things I need to try in this. You're curious if there's something better than FSUE. For us, if you're just new to it and you don't really give a shit about, you know, the Amiga as such, then FSUE is the go-to. If you're a bit more of an aficionado, then I guess WinUE, but you have more config to set up yourself. As far as I know, there's not anything else there. I mean, the likes of, like, what do you call it, BizHawk, is it, and all those fancy emulators that do different things, they might have a core for the Amiga, but fuck them, I wouldn't use it. You probably find they have a core that is FSUE or WinUE anyway. Just port it over. But yeah, usually you'll find people do either WinUE or FS. So peaceful. I was doing this last night, and literally it was like ASMR this when I was playing this. I think that was the appeal. You could just chill out, expand your base. And watch the little guys move around super slowly. And then kill each other at the end when you hit Armageddon. Yeah, you'll notice like there's a couple of the Amiga runners, they always seem to use WinUE, and I've done both. And again, for the smoothness I would go for WinUE. It's just config is just a pain in the arse. So if you don't really care, yeah, just go for FS. Shit. They just spawned there, right? So this one, I'll just do a straightforward, just copying what you're doing, what you see me doing here. The next attempt, I'm going to try something different halfway through, at the 7-minute mark. Different strat. What game were you thinking of trying, Bren? Anything particular? They have a habit of going the wrong way, where there's no extra space. Like, what the fuck? Oh. That's my fault. But I'm glad I got that other run done. Again, I have to do the full one, but I don't have the inclination to do that today. I'll do that another day. But it's a good time. No plans for playing anything at the moment. Are you trying to misdirect me here? You're saying that and then you're going to come in and get a PB on Lotus. Is that the idea? Revenge. I had fun with Target Renegade. Like, that's a nice, reasonably chill game to do. Well, not as chill as this. This is like super chill. Yeah, my Lotus times are actually okay. I have one run to upload actually. I think you were here when I did it. I kept hold of it thinking I could maybe beat it by like 10 or 15 seconds, but oh man, I don't know. I should just upload it. I've got a couple of runs like that where I've just kind of forgotten about them. And they are PBs, so I should upload them. It's good there's a new mod in there though. Hopefully he'll be a bit quicker than the last guy. The last guy was having me wait like, you know, several weeks. Which every attempt just kind of put me off uploading. But yeah, I can understand people are busy and stuff, but yeah, it felt like he just didn't care. And then the next time I looked, a year later, there was a new mod. So yeah, okay. I guess he gave up. It was too much. I did upload way too many runs though. Like if you look at all the obsolete runs I have like, I don't know how many, it's like way too many, 30 or 40. Poor guy, he got fed up. I'll tell you a game I was going to do would be Stunt Car Racer, and a mod, I noticed the mod like a couple of years ago had made a board, but he wasn't doing full game runs. He was just doing individual track runs, which don't interest me. Like, they're for, like, you know, the kids, the people with no attention. Do one race and then that's it. So yeah, I put me off doing it. He didn't even create a board for it, for the full game run. I guess he never did it himself, so he thought, why bother? But yeah, I would have done that. I might look into it. I might see if it's still there and put in a request. Ask the guy to do it. Because I'm pretty sure that could be interesting. That could be interesting. Let's what's up with my splits exactly?